Hi, welcome to this new tutorial of installing PgAdmin, which is graphical user interface for executing PostgreSQL queries. So we can open that from pgadmin.org. Here we have quick links like download. Okay, just click on download. So it will ask you for operating system, select Windows, or you can select your corresponding operating system. I am selecting Windows. PgAdmin, different versions of PgAdmin are available. PgAdmin 3, the updates for PgAdmin 3 are stopped. If your system is latest version, go for latest version of PgAdmin. If you are using a old system, if 32-bit operating system, it's better to go for PgAdmin 3, but it works, but there will be no updates. I am installing the latest version. I am simply clicking on the file. Okay. Just see the largest file, PgAdmin 4 executable file. That is the largest file here. Just click on that executable files. Now the download is started on the top. Executable file has been downloaded. I am simply clicking on the file. I'm installing it for all the users. The PgAdmin 4 setup wizard will be displayed. Just click on next. I accept the agreement. Next. The default folder. Select PgAdmin 4 to continue. If you would like to select a different folder, click browse. So I don't want to store in any other part. So I'm selecting PgAdmin. Just click on install. It takes few minutes. Installation is done and finish. I'm going to search. I'm just typing PgAdmin. Then I can see PgAdmin here, apps. Okay. I'm just opening the app. This is master password. Just try to keep it simple like password. Okay. Try to keep it very simple. Try to use password that you can remember easily. Okay. I'm simply selecting it like password in lowercase. Generally, it's also better to use the same password that you use for the installation of PostgreSQL. Here in Postgres, 14 is already installed in my system. Now I install 15. Okay, now it is asking for the password. I have to simply click on the password for using PostgreSQL 15. Here in databases, what we can do, subscriptions, schemes, publications, languages, and all this will be available. Okay, I'm simply clicking on create database. I have to specify the name of the database, like I'm giving it like creative. So save. Now the database named creative is done. Okay. Now I can write a query. You can see different options here. I am going for query tool.